Time is ticking. Master, quarter, and half in telling time. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to demystify the terms quarter and half as we use them in telling time in English. So let's get started. The first thing we need to understand is what we mean by a quarter and a half. In English, when telling time, quarter refers to 15 minutes and half refers to 30 minutes. This is because a quarter represents 1/4 of an hour, and half represents 1/2 or half of an hour. Now, let's take a look at how to use quarter when telling time. The two main phrases you'll hear are quarter past and quarter to. When we say it's a quarter past a certain hour, we mean it's 15 minutes after that hour. For instance, quarter past 3 feet means it's 15 minutes past 3 o'clock or 3:15. On the other hand, quarter to refers to 15 minutes before the next hour. So, if it's a quarter to 4 feet, that means it's 15 minutes before 4 o'clock, or 3:45. Next up is the term half past. This is used to indicate 30 minutes or half an hour past a certain time. For instance, when we say half past 5 feet, we mean it's 30 minutes past 5 o'clock, or 5:30. Now that we understand these concepts, let's try a few examples together. 1. What does quarter past 6 feet mean? 2. It means it's 6:15. 3. What does quarter to 10 feet mean? 4. It means it's 9:45. 5. What does half past 8 feet mean? 6. It means it's 8:30. Try a few of these on your own and see how you do. Well, that wraps up our lesson on using quarter and half in telling time in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll have them down in no time. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning.